The origin of the Defi-Design, or the design challenge, if we would translate it, I think is twofold. One is how to show design and how to talk about design outside of just talking about the end result. But we tend to forget that behind the result, we have people. And we have people working together to generate something that adds collective value for us. The other thing was the idea of how we could also show the creative process. I think the other pillar is a response to Zoom fatigue also, and we want to be together to solve things creatively together.
This event is innovative, and because it's innovative, it's challenging because what we're doing is new. And that's a space that we're totally comfortable in. That's a part of our promise, is that yes, we want to explore new approaches and new areas. This particular event is a mix between a multi-camera live event that's shot on location with 3 teams covering each team, and it's also a virtual webinar. So there are some of our guests who are going to be in various locations and they're virtually. So that mixture of live and virtual is something that hasn't been done a whole lot. So we're on the edge of something new that's really interesting. That demands that everybody on the team be flexible, that they be good listeners, and that they trust.
We brainstormed and we got to an idea that we thought had wings, and we convinced Index Design to hop on board. They were excited with the idea. So the role of LAAB was, of course, being the instigator with Cornelius of this Defi-Design idea. I think the ideas were acting also as directors. Tony of Cornelius is acting as a producer. So we're very actively involved in managing and delivering this event. The other aspect was we wanted to have people work together for a real project, and to give the opportunity with a real client and a real project. I think it's golden, is that the team that leaves here today is going to leave with a real commission from a real client, Ivanhoe Cambridge, a sponsor who believed in the idea and believed in the power of creative thinking and innovation. Our incentive was to say, could we do a new format of an event that would be more immersive, more creative, more bi-directional? I think it's going to be captivating to see people creating in real time, the audience reacting in real time, asking questions, having a jury of experts from across the world, interacting behind the scenes, not behind the scenes, but at the same time as design is happening. I think that it's a very interesting experience.